I'm going to show you in this video how to add custom shaped video masks in Wix. So what we're going to have still here is to click on here, add elements, and then here we have add elements, right? And we can choose from so many elements, and we're going to click on here on video music, and here we have new video mask. Okay, now we can choose a mask from here. Now I'm gonna drag and drop this onto my page here. Now I can resize it. Right on top here we have a few options. We have settings, we have behaviors, we have design, we have masks, we have animation. We can click on this, and then here we can change the mask. I'll choose this one. Then here I can click on change video, right? And I can grab this video. I like it. Add the page. Now look at this. Change big play button. You can click on that, and I'll select maybe this one. I can publish. And I can also preview now, and this is how it looks like. Pretty nice. I like the quality. I like the way it looks like. Very cool, right? You can also click on it, as I showed you before, and I'll resize it. And now you hold option, and then you drag. So when you drag, okay, and you can add it here. And also right click, and then you can, let's say you have overlapping in arrange, you can bring it to front. You can also use this shortcut if you want just that. So you can use the shortcut here, shift, command, shift, and up and down, right? Pretty helpful stuff. Now you can add some fade in maybe, but I'm not gonna add anything. And here we can also add behaviors. How does it start to play automatically? How is it paused on clicking, no pausing? How does it end? Loops. Okay, that's what I want here. And then the design. And now maybe we can pick a color. We have a few settings here. We can reset a video, or we can also undo. And here we can also add a video title. And yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.